How to stop apps from draining battery on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Now first and foremost, always check for background application. For that, quickly tap on the three horizontal line, or it could be a square icon depending upon your Android model. If you find any of the background app, make sure to clear it. After which, tap on your phone settings. At the top in the search icon, go ahead and search for battery. Then select on Use Battery Manager. Always make sure to toggle it on. This will detect any of the application draining your battery and will remind you to close it off. After that, you can head back from here and select on Battery Saver. Click on the Battery Saver option and make sure to toggle it on. It will help you to save some battery life. After this, head back, then select on Background Power Consumption Management. In here, you'll find list of applications that consume most of your battery. You can just go ahead and select on any of this application. Then you can tap on Restrict Background Power Uses. This will stop apps from draining your battery. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.